Surprise, surprise. Unboxing already. Hello, YouTube. Looks like I already got a few packages coming in. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and see what I have today. Okay. All right. This is the thermostat I'm getting. Let's see. This one right here, I'm going with 160 degree, since the car is not going to run an intercooler. I want to keep the temperatures down a little bit, especially on the boost. It should work pretty good. Like here in Texas, the weather doesn't get too cold, so me running one of these, regardless of the season, shouldn't hurt nothing. In my case, it actually helps, especially during those hot days. But that's it. This is MotoRad. Most of the time, these factory are 180 degree. And going a little cooler with that. So here we go. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. This is not for the Taurus. This is for another vehicle I'm working on. I just bought my mom a 2007 Chrysler Town & Country. It has the 3.3 liter V6 in it. And it ran kind of rough when I bought it. Found out that it never had a tune-up. It has about a little over 89,000 miles on it. And it never had a tune-up. And I checked the plugs and they were a little fouled. Not oil, but just fouled up. So I decided I'm going to do a little tune-up. So I bought some parts for my Taurus and for my mom's van. This here is the ignition coil for it. There's some more parts coming in from my mom's van. But I also ordered a bunch of stuff for the Taurus. So those will be coming together in these packages. So every once in a while when I have an unboxing, you might see parts for the Dodge Town & Country. But I might actually make a video of me putting this on, taking the intake off so I can get to the back plugs, replacing the back plugs, wires, replacing both valve cover gaskets to make sure it doesn't leak and such. And then I'm going to let my mom have the van. But so far, we got 160 degree thermostat for the Taurus and an ignition coil pack for my mom's Town & Country. I just got a notification on email. I got a bunch of packages coming in the next few days. So if you haven't yet, click the subscribe and then hit that bell icon and follow me. And basically, I'll let you know exactly what I'm doing to the car, what parts I need to make it work under boost.